Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Redmi phone Wi-Fi full setting, how to set up Wi-Fi setting on Redmi mobile. In this video friends we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, first of all open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on Wi-Fi setting and on your Wi-Fi. After on Wi-Fi friends, refresh your Wi-Fi setting. After refresh Wi-Fi setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Redmi mobile. Friends, click on Redmi mobile your Wi-Fi network. Which network you have? Friends, I have Mukesh network. I will enter this password, Wi-Fi password. And friends, you want to check your Wi-Fi password? Friends, click here and friends, you can check your Wi-Fi password. Click here connect option. After 4 or 5 seconds guys, Wi-Fi network will connect on your Redmi mobile and friends, you can use easily after connect. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi network has connected and friends we can use it. So friends, you want to on YouTube app, you want to use YouTube app, you can on and you can use YouTube app. After connect Wi-Fi, you can on Instagram, WhatsApp app. There are many friends you can use it. After connect Wi-Fi. Okay friends, and friends you want to add any network, Wi-Fi network friends you want to add, you can add and you can connect also. So friends, click here, Wi-Fi right side is arrow, click here. Friends, you can see connect automatically. Friends, you want to on and off your Wi-Fi connect automatically setting, you can on and off from here. Friends, click here forget option. Friends, if you forget this Wi-Fi network, again friends you cannot use this Wi-Fi network. You want to use, friends, first you will have to enter password, then friends you can connect this Wi-Fi network again on your device and you can use it. And friends, you want to check your Wi-Fi additional setting, you can check your additional setting. Friends, you can check your saved network. Friends, I don't have any saved network, you have, you can check from here. Last guys, we will of Wi-Fi. So like that friends, we can use Wi-Fi setting on Redmi mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching.